channel. If you are new here, my name is Cheri. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday all about Disney. Today is like the best day of the month because my Bibbidi Bobbidi Box came. I first subscribed to Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes last month, got my box, fell in love. The highlight was definitely a wallet that I got. I'll go ahead and link that video up above and in the description box below. So I knew I wanted to continue. I actually had gone back on like that same day to the website and wanted to upgrade to like the ultimate box. But my payment had already processed for the month, so I do have the fantasy box again for this month, but I need to go on like today and upgrade to the next box, the next level. I think that box is like 119 maybe, because I think that it is definitely worth it. Okay, so let's not talk anymore. Here's the box. It came like it tracked FedEx, but the mailman just brought it. So it feels like this box is smaller than the one was last month, but I cut it, but I have not opened it. Okay, so here we go. Purple tissue paper and some paperwork. It says happy spooky season and happy fall. Just because I cannot see it doesn't mean I can't believe it. Jack Skellington, cute little thing. Here is the spoiler alert. I'm not going to look at that. Quick note. This box has fewer items of higher value as opposed to more items or lesser value. We hope you love it. To change this option, please go to Preferences Manager. So I did mark that I would rather have like higher value items versus more items in my box, basically quality over quantity. Okay, so here is the tissue paper. Look at the little sticker. It's a little donut. Can you see that? How cute is that? Okay, so let's rip in. I already see like this little glitter stuff everywhere. The boxes feel really light. Oh! And look what I got. Oh my gosh, the little donut ears. These are adorable. I do not own these. They have that like tissue paper all over them. These are so cute. I have seen these in the park. They're pink. They have like confetti on the donuts. This cute little bow. It says park exclusive item. Oh my god, I do love these. And if you watch my channel, you know that I'm going to Disney in a few days. So I'm so excited. Okay, so let's switch my ears with the tag on there. Oh my god, those are cute. Oh, I love them. How cute are those? Okay. And then there's one more item in my box. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. So, oh, there's a theme to my box. I'm so excited. I have to calm down. Okay. Compose myself. This is an Alex and Ani bracelet. It is rose gold and it is the little Mickey ear donut. This has been on my wish list forever. And see like the donut themed here? Oh my god. This is so cute. Have you all seen this before? Let's see. Let it focus. Isn't that just adorable? I am gonna like, oh my god, that is gonna be so fabulous. Sorry, I was looking in the viewfinder. The ears, the bracelet, and the parks. It is so perfect, and I think I'm gonna say that's probably all that's in the box. Yeah, that looks like that's all besides all of this stuff that my cat loves to eat. So let's put that down. Okay, so let's look at the packing slip. Spoiler alert, packing list, and it says, okay, Disney Parks exclusive Alex and Ani bracelet retails for $44.95. And then the Disney Parks donut ears and headband retails for $27.99 for a total retail value of $72.94. So I am thrilled with this box. The box was $59 plus shipping, so I definitely feel like I got my value out of it. I am like beyond thrilled with this box, and I have to say that on my preferences, I am so specific. I am so specific. I say exactly the colors. I kind of just know the merch that's in the parks right now and also what's at the Character Warehouse because I watch a lot of like the merch videos and I follow on Instagram, so I know like what's in the parks, and so I'm very specific about the things that I like and that I don't like. And so I'm very clear, like I said, I wanted ears, I wanted jewelry, like I don't want pins, I don't want plush. And so far I haven't received those things. And I was also very specific that I like snack merchandise. And pink is one of my favorite colors, and that I want pink merchandise. And so I feel like they looked at my preferences, and even though like it's only 2 items that are like putting confetti everywhere, even though that it's only like 2 items, to me, I would rather have the quality over the quantity. They listen to my preferences, and like these are things that I would actually buy. And I've actually, like this I've had my eye on. I've looked at the donut ears before, and like I'm thrilled. So my advice is, if you're like thinking about subscribing to Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes, or you already are subscribed to Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes and you're not happy with what you're getting in your box, or you wish you were to get other things, I don't have anything like listed on my like requests. All of what I want is like in my likes and my dislikes. But I'm not gonna lie, like my likes, like that whole section, like I'm not kidding, there's probably, I just bulleted it out, there's probably like 50 bullets of exactly what I want. And there's probably about 20 bullets of exactly what I don't want. I list brands, I list characters that I want and I don't want. So I really think that if you aren't super specific on your preferences, do that, because I think that it will make a difference on what you are going to get in your box. So tell me which of the 2 items that I got is your favorite. If you filmed a video this month with your Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes unboxing, go ahead and link that video in the comments below, because I would love to check it out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would love for you to subscribe if you have not already. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!